Hello, this is Tom from Stafford Audi, and today I'll be taking you around this approved used vehicle which we've just had come into stock here at the dealership. This is the Audi Q5 Vorsprung 45 TFSI Quattro with the S-Tronic automatic transmission. This particular model comes in the stunning quantum grey paintwork and looks super sporty and stylish from every angle. From the 2-litre petrol engine you get 261 brake horsepower and 370 Nm of torque, getting you from 0 to 60 in around 5.9 seconds and onto a top speed of 149 miles per hour. On the front we have these fabulous matrix LED headlights offering you maximum visibility regardless of weather condition. And on all four corners these 21-inch Audi Sport 5 V-spoke offset design alloy wheels finishing gloss black with a diamond cut finish, offering a lovely contrast to that grey paintwork and working really nicely with the gloss black styling package. With the Vorsprung trim level you get these side step running boards as well as all the gloss black accents and a panoramic glass sunroof for a light and airy driving experience. With the electrically operated tailgate open you get 550 litres of boot space, perfect for your everyday essentials and weekend away luggage. With the rear seats folded down you get 1550 litres, which is perfect for those larger and bulkier items. The interior is finished in fine Napa leather for maximum luxury, with the centre armrest, dual cup holders and tri-zone climate control and outer rear heated seats, giving your rear passengers maximum comfort. Both outer seats are also fitted with Isofix points so you can safely and securely travel up to 2 child seats in the rear of the vehicle. In the front we have the S-Line leather multifunction steering wheel with the Audi virtual cockpit behind, central touchscreen display as well as dual zone climate control. Both front seats are sports seats with the S badge embossing at the top, and they are fully electrically adjustable with electric lumbar support and massage function to make finding your perfect driving position all the easier, especially with the memory function on the driver's side. All important information is displayed in front of you thanks to the heads-up display and the Audi virtual cockpit. The said virtual cockpit can be configured to your preference using the left side of the multifunction steering wheel. On the right is your volume and voice control, so mid-journey phone calls and radio station changes, as well as the heated steering wheel option, and underneath your adaptive cruise control and speed limiter for its precious Moto 8 miles per gallon. From the central touchscreen display you can access Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, as well as DAB and FM radio stations, or simply navigation. Underneath the climate control we have the Audi Drive Select, giving you maximum control of the overall feel and drive of the vehicle, as well as the ride height with the adaptive air suspension. Also fitted is the 360-degree camera system, giving you peace of mind that you're never going to damage that precious paintwork, and the Park Assist, which lets the car park itself for you. All you have to do is listen to the prompts for the accelerator, brake and gear change. Both driver and passenger can be at different temperatures thanks to the dual zone climate control, and both front seats have 3 levels of heat to them, which is perfect for those cold winter mornings. If you like the look of this vehicle, do not hesitate to get in contact or simply come and take a look for yourself.